What's up everybody, this is Mehul and welcome to your 29th AngularJS tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll be starting off with an application in AngularJS, and that is to-do list application with AngularJS. Now in this to-do list application what I'll be coding is, and I'll be showing you to guys that how a user can come on your site and enter some information he wants to do, like some tasks or whatever, and then you could even store that in the browser so the tasks are not lost when the user refreshes the page. Then edit those tasks, then update them when the user sets them as complete, strike them off or remove them from the list, and all those tasks like that. So to begin with, let's just create our basic HTML first. I'm not interested a lot in styling this form because what we are concerned is more with the functionality and not with the styling. So I'll just keep the things plain and simple. You can go ahead and customize it if you want. So I'll just write here add a task, and for the input box it would be text, and I'd like that to be in center of screen, so I'll just set it to a block element, and padding of 5 pixel and font size of I guess 12 or 15 pixel won't harm much. Let's just see how it works. Okay, so we have got the box in center but not the heading, so let's just get that as well. Okay, so we have all the things ready. Now the first thing we want to do is we want then that whenever the user adds some things here and presses enter key, then the task is automatically added somewhere right here. But for that we need to know when the user has pressed enter key. Now we can do that even with custom directives, which we'll be learning very soon how to create your own custom directives. But for now I'm gonna use the conventional approach which we have learned earlier, and that is to monitor each and every key event and look for 13, which is the you can say the key code of the enter keyword. So I'm just gonna write here ng key up is search enter, and inside the script let's just quickly populate this up, and we have no dependencies for now. Okay, so now we have this function right here, search enter. So I'm just gonna write scope dot search enter function, and obviously you need to pass in the scope. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna for now console log the key code. Well, both of these are one and the same thing. You can use either one in Chrome. So I'm just gonna reload the page and I'm just gonna hit some key, so I get 65 for A, which is correct. So let's just see what I get for enter, and that is 13, which I told you. So right here instead of this line I'm gonna write if event dot which or key code is 13, then return true, return false. Alright, so okay, so now we don't need something like return true or return false. We need a functionality here called, let's just say add task, to this function, and why not scope.addTask. So I'm just gonna create scope.addTask as a function here, and what we are gonna do in this function is we'll somehow get this text, create a container, place that text inside that, and remove it from here. So that's what this function is gonna do, and I'm gonna show you that in the next batch. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this one, and I'll see you then.